If your system includes the Yorkville PGM8 mixer, here's how to set it up. First, plug it into the wall and power it on. If you're using microphones that use phantom power, such as a condenser or choir mic, flip that on. Next, take your mic cable that goes to your left speaker, plug it in the left side. Take the mic cable that goes to your right speaker, plug it in the right side. We're done on the back. The Yorkville PGM8 mixer has 6 XLR inputs, 2 of which can be used as a left and right stereo pair. To use a microphone, plug the mic into mic channel 1. Bring your main master to 0, bring that channel to 0, and then slowly bring up the gain knob until you register on the right. Check, check, check. It should be at or just below 0. Repeat this for channels 1 through 6. If you're using this for a DJ setup and you're using the provided aux cord, simply take this end, plug it into the stereo on channels 5, 6, or 7, 8. This end will go into your laptop or device. Then, use this to bring it up to the volume that you want. Another useful feature in live settings is the effects. To dial in effects, turn your effects up to 0. Then, we'll use the knob here to select what effect we want. We'll choose a Hall. Next, we want to adjust how strong the effect will be. To get that effect on this channel, check, check, we turn this up. The more of it you hear, the more effect there is. Dial that in where you want it on each channel. Now you're ready to use a PGM mixer with confidence. If you're using other components in your system, be sure to check out the videos on those also. And as always, call us if you need one-on-one assistance.